Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will talk about on how to install Virtualbox latest versions on Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to get the latest content from this channel. Let's start the tutorial. The first thing to do is go to the download link. The link also will be in the description box below. Select a variant of Virtualbox for Windows host. Download is starting. Wait until download is finished, and then you can run the Virtualbox software. Click next to start the installation. You can choose where you want to install Virtualbox, but in this video, it will be left in the default position, so click next. You can wait until installation process is complete. Click finish and installation process is complete. You can now open your Virtualbox. And as you can see, we have got the latest versions of Virtualbox. And that is how to install Virtualbox on Windows 11. I hope this video is useful and I'll see you in the next video.